Hey sweet friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing tons of Dollar Tree Christmas items that you all are going to be so excited about. I went in several different stores and you can definitely tell it's a weird time. They're trying to push Halloween, they're trying to get Christmas out. It seems like a lot of stores are short on staff, so you just never know. It's just a hit and miss with every single store, and every store I went to was different. I found new items at different ones and they all didn't have the same thing, so I definitely recommend checking out different stores if you are looking to load up on all of the new Dollar Tree Christmas items. But they had so many things I was so excited about, not only like Christmas items, but I actually got a ton of Christmas DIY stuff, and they had a lot of new items that I didn't see last year, so I was so excited to find some of these and share them with you so that you can keep an eye out for these as well. Be sure to hit the thumbs up button, it really helps me out here on YouTube, and let's go ahead and dive into some of these brand new items. Okay, so it is no surprise that gnomes are gonna be like super popular again this year. Dollar Tree is definitely putting out a ton of them in different styles. I was able to get some of the big ones that stand up a few weeks back, but recently I found these mini little gnome ornaments. They had so many of them, and these are so gorgeous. They're just really plain with the long little legs. These will be gorgeous for ornaments, but also perfect size to set on tier trays, make garlands with these, but so gorgeous. You could put these anywhere, so definitely grab a few of these if you see them. You could even glue something in their little hands. I also want to share the little ones that are on the little skis. I think these are also adorable. They have different styles in all of these gnomes, so pick up the ones that you like best, but so cute. I will be having more gnomes in my decor this year for sure. And it was really exciting that they actually put these gnomes out on these little skewers, kind of like they do the scarecrows for fall every year. And I was able to find some little snowman ones, but the gnome ones come in, I found 3 different styles. These will be so fun to stick down in little Christmas bouquets, like tuck them in lighted boxes or lit up decor, but so many things you could do with these, and they are so adorable, and I love that it's 2 for $1. And then I also found so much more gnome decor, so I did grab a few things. I know these are older, they've had these out for a little while, but so gorgeous, and I love how Dollar Tree is always trying to be so trendy. Like I said, most of the items that I found today are actually DIY supplies, but they were too good not to grab and have these on hand. So many ideas are already coming to mind whenever I was picking these up, but hands down favorite item that I found were these little pom-pom rolls. Pom-pom trim is what it's called, but they're kind of like little ribbon. Now I used this on my channel a lot last year, but I had to pick it up at Walmart and it wasn't like, the pom-poms weren't this big. So this is awesome. I grabbed several of the white ones. I of course got it in red and green, which will be perfect for Christmas. The red would go for Valentine's Day, but I picked up extra white ones because that is a neutral color that will go perfect all year, and I just love that so much. So such a fun, whimsical piece, and just love these. Another really fun ribbon that they had was this garland. It kind of looks like pipe cleaners all rolled up, but it doesn't have the stiff wire in there. But this is really fun, and I'm guessing it's one big piece. It might be, oh yeah, it says 27 feet, but comes in the 3 colors. I think that is going to be so much fun to use for Christmas crafting. Something really cute that I just wanted to share really fast, I found these little decor pieces. This is actually called a clapper board. I had to look it up before I shared these. But these are really cute. I thought, I grabbed these because I do YouTube, so I thought it would be fun in an office. It's kind of like filming decor, but I thought it would be really cute if you did like a movie room or even like a teens room. But I also know some of my friends here on YouTube do like Christmas movie themed DIYs, and these would also be really cute to go along with those, but a really fun find. And I'm just so excited to always find like the fun little weird things at Dollar Tree that you can't find anywhere else for $1. Okay, back to Christmas. Another fun find that I found was these sleds. So these are really cool. I actually found 3 different styles. A couple of them are pretty much the same. One just has lines in it and like the top's a little bit different. And then this one is a very different style. But how cute will these be to turn into Christmas ornaments? You could just stain this and hang it directly on the tree. Maybe glue like a little bow on there. But these were really, really fun. I love how Dollar Tree is putting out so many things that's making it so easy to craft for Christmas. I grabbed the last one at my store, but I found these adorable little ice skates. They have gorgeous detailing on there and the little snowflake. I actually thought I was grabbing $2 worth, so I thought these were separate. But whenever I went to pay, they were connected. So that is so cool that both of these were just $1. I love decorating with little ice skates. They're just really, really cute. I found some new candle holders. We used to try to make these out of tower blocks, so it's so fun Dollar Tree's putting these out, but I love the natural wood color as well as the black. These will be so fun to light up candles with, and just the perfect colors to go with anybody's style. So you could go more for like modern farmhouse or more like boho decor, but both of these are adorable. I thought these were really fun. They say wood hanging decor, but they're actually these large squares of wood that have gorgeous details on there. And these actually look pretty simple to paint. They have a truck one, a little candy house, as well as like a little village with the Santa cut out at the bottom. If you're not into like hot gluing everything together and you just want some simple crafts, pick up these because they would be really cute for anybody of all ages. If you wanted to have like a younger kids party, they could paint these, as well as like an adult, they could paint these really cute. But these would be really fun to kind of play around with stain on as well. I found some initial ornaments, so I grabbed those. These are actually like an MDF material. So I've learned over the years that MDF that I've tried doesn't take spray paint too well unless I'm using the wrong type of spray paint. But these would be really fun to paint. I thought it would be cute. I have 3 little girls. I thought it would be really cute to have them just kind of play around and decorate their own initial and then be able to hang that on the tree. Very inexpensive, fun, just family craft night. But these were really cute. So I'm so happy Dollar Tree is putting out tons of variety for all ages. Okay, so these were really cool. They're actually really big boards and they have words cut out of them. So it says wood plaque, and these were just in the crafter square, so not the Christmas section. One says peace and one says heart. They're kind of odd. I'm not sure how I'll use these. I hate how the A doesn't have anything. It's kind of blank space. So let me know if you have any ideas on what you would, how you would put these to good use. But just fun pieces, and they are a really good size for $1. And then Dollar Tree had tons of the fall and Halloween boards like this, but they are coming out with them for Christmas. And these were the only 2 styles I was able to find, the green Christmas tree and then the blue snowflake. This reminds me of like a school chalkboard, so it would be really cute to take some white vinyl maybe and write some words on here. But these were really fun and really cute. I was even thinking you could like cut these down, maybe cut the tree off if you just wanted to use the green sign. So many things you could do with them, and these are so thin that you actually can like score them with a utility knife or a razor blade and get them to break off evenly. Okay, so trees, the little bottle brush trees must have been a hot item at my stores because every single one of them were like getting really low on stock. So I'm not sure if it's something they put out really fast or everybody just loves them that much, but I went ahead and grabbed some different styles. They had white ones and green ones of different shapes. I love the frosted tips. I love they had tons of different colors with glitter, and that seemed to be left behind. So I'm thinking that's not as popular, but they had tons of the different color ones. But like I say, just grabbing mostly the green ones, the different style green ones. I love all of the shapes, especially this one. I feel like it has more of a realistic Christmas tree look to it. So many things you could do with these, and they actually have a real wood little bottom. So these are really fun. Some of them was even decorated with their own little ornaments or had bead garlands wrapped around them, but definitely grab these because they are going so fast. They had some really cute paint kits. So I picked up all 3 styles. These are fun to, like I say, I always pick up, and then if I don't end up using them, I give them to my kids. But they had the snowman, the reindeer, and Santa Claus. So, so cute. They actually come with the paint and the paintbrush. I found these 3D little light up signs or decors. They say LED ornament, But okay, so I like light up ornaments. I really do. I like the thought behind them. But who has the time to go around and turn on all of your ornaments on the tree? But they are still really, really cute. I don't mind going to like my tiered trays and turning those on of the evening. But they had 4 different styles: a snowflake, car, reindeer, and little gingerbread house. These have so many little details. So gorgeous. I'm not sure if you would want to take the time to paint these or stain these. Or just kind of go with more of a solid color, but these are gorgeous as is. I love the light colored wood, and the unfinished wood is also super trendy. All you have to do is even water down paint and give these a touch of color if you wanted to, but such a fun idea. I found the cutest wooden DIY pieces. I love this Merry Christmas banner. They had wooden snowflakes and snowmen and Santa and more snowmen, but so cute. These will be gorgeous for ornaments or gift tags, anything like that. So I love picking up all of the different pieces. Some of them are just silhouettes, and then some of them are like a marker kids kit. It says color your own decor, but I am definitely crafting with those and putting them to good use. And then more wood items. They had the Believe and Let It Snow, as well as all of these mini wood pieces. The gingerbread, snowflake, star, and bells. How cute are those? I love that the bells have little loopholes. You could string the little snowflakes. So many things you could do with these, and I love that they're coming in the mini little packs in so many varieties. Okay, so I just sneezed, so I'm not sick or have been crying. But continuing on, I found some more wooden pieces. I found this snowman. Now, I love the little skeleton that Dollar Tree put out like this, and so many people had so many good ideas. So I picked this up in the snowman, Santa, and the little elf. So cute. And these will be so much fun to paint. You could hang these on a little thumbtack on the wall. You could put them on bulletin boards. So many things you could do with them, or you could even glue them to like a bigger sign. And then so many like bigger wooden and metal pieces I cannot wait to share with you. I found this little truck that had the tree in the background. This would be so cute, or in the back of the truck. These would be so cute to paint. I love these as is and add to signs. I found a snowman. They had these really cool new wreaths that I found, or they just say Decor on the tag. But they're actually like this circular shape. This one has a truck in the back, which is adorable. It says Merry Christmas with the little vines around it. And then they also had one that is more of like a wreath shape that says peace in it. These will also be so much fun to paint and just, I don't know, have fun crafting. But if you were to host like a crafting party, they have like the easiest things to grab. No mess, no gluing. You could just like put out paint markers, and these would be so fun to decorate. They also had the MDF pieces. I love this snowflake. This is so adorable. I also found this in the snowman as well as a Santa. But so cute. These are awesome, having large shapes like this that you can decorate yourself. And then the metal pieces, they always kind of stump me because I'm always scared to paint on these because I feel like they'll scratch off. But they had this large ornament, they had a Christmas tree, a snowman, and then I love the stocking. So cute. They're just galvanized decor. You could hot glue some decor on here, you could paint it. Let me know how you use these, because I know at Halloween time they put out a ton of like a witch's hat, a ghost, and stuff like that. So let me know how you end up using this, or if you have any tips whenever it comes to like painting the metal. And then Christmas time is a great way to get the kids involved, and Dollar Tree had tons of stuff for the kids. I found DIY ornaments that were so adorable. They already come with the popsicle sticks, the foam pieces, all of the hangers. They had these little DIY gnomes, but just really fun pieces. Whenever I am doing my own thing and I don't want my kids touching my stuff, then I can like get out these fun little kits. Only cost me a few bucks, and they'll keep them really entertained, but they know that they are crafting along as well. And then some more fun pieces that I'll get through really fast that I'm going to be crafting with. I always pick up Dollar Tree scarves, so I was able to get these. So excited about that snowflake pattern. I also picked one up in the buffalo check, which was really cool. That'll be perfect for crafting snowmen this winter. Speaking of the buffalo pattern, I was excited to pick up these trays. I've already been seeing people DIYing with this, so I'm guessing this is not brand new, but I was excited to get my hands on it. They also had this style in the charger, but I did leave it behind because I do like decorating chargers, but I feel like it was such a busy pattern to keep decorating with this on it, but this was really fun find. I noticed that they also had coffee mugs out that were so gorgeous. They had like some everyday sayings on them as well as fall, but they were all chipped and scuffed, like all of them. I couldn't even find one that wasn't messed up, so I just left them behind. I feel like if I did find one that wasn't messed up, it would have been really quickly, unless that's how it kind of got damaged putting the labels on there. I'm not sure. Let me know if you have gotten those, but I left those behind. But more items that I just grabbed, some Christmas colors of fabric. I got the black and red, as well as this gorgeous like winter color, teal or turquoise blue color. And these will be really fun to cut up and craft with. And then an all-time staple that I recommend picking up if you love Christmas crafting are these wired garland ties. I use these for everything, so I grabbed quite a few of them and just love adding little accents to pieces. I tuck them inside of like the little bows that I make, or you can fill in the Christmas tree. So many things you can do with them, so definitely recommend these, and the wire inside makes it easy to kind of work with them and decorate. I found some small little galvanized hearts and stars, so I grabbed those. Those would be perfect to craft with. And then I found these at the Dollar Tree, a bell and a Christmas tree. And I loved the pumpkins that they come out with like this, so I was excited to get some for Christmas. I found some really cute little antler ornaments, which would be fun to kind of tuck in centerpieces and actually use as ornaments. I was sad I only found this pack of the mini trees, but I am hopeful. I saw tons of new boxes coming out, so I will check again. But I was able to get these in the gold, but this will be so fun for just like a mini little scenery. They had faux snow in this beautiful blue color, which will be so fun. After Christmas, I like to do a couple of like DIY winter decorating videos whenever you're not quite ready to put up all of your Christmas decor, but you're still in the mood for snowmen, because it's not really snows here until like January, February. But this was really fun to keep on hand. And just tons more of small items that will just be so much fun. I'm trying to collect the little village. I found a couple of the village pieces, but just really fun. Some raffia. Just Dollar Tree has it going on. They have tons of crafting supplies. Don't go anywhere else until you go there, because they have it all. And then I recently ran into Michael's really fast to look at their Halloween decor, and they had a couple of Christmas things out. These were up front in their little dollar bins by the registers, but I thought these were really cute, worth mentioning. I love these mini little pieces. I picked up some from Target Dollar Spot last year and got a ton of questions about it. So these were $2.99 in the dollar bin at Michael's, and they're just like the cutest little shapes. The gingerbread man, stockings, snowflake, snowman, ornaments, candy cane, and they actually had a couple of different options. So you can find those there, and then they had these mini little boxes for 99 cents. So I grabbed them because I know a lot of times people can't always find what I'm using at Dollar Tree. So sometimes it's fun to share with you all like items or unfinished wood pieces that you can find other places. Okay, so I think that is everything that I picked up at Dollar Tree the end of last week. So let me know what you're finding at Dollar Tree, if you found anything that I have not found, and leave that in the comments so everyone else can be looking for those as well. So many things. It becomes like hard to keep up with Dollar Tree. Obviously, we can't check every single day, or I would just go crazy and spend way too much money. But I do like to check every few days when I do know that they are putting out like brand new items. I actually ran into one store and the guy was like opening the boxes. I tried to sneak a peek at the outside labels and kind of see if there was anything that I wanted, if I wanted to leave and come back later. But I think it was mostly items that I had already shared with you today. But I am excited to look for a few more things that I am seeing on other people's channels that I can't quite find yet. So wishing you all the best of luck. Thank you again for watching and coming along and checking out all of my fun new finds. I would definitely be starting Christmas sooner than later. It is definitely time here on YouTube to get started Christmas crafting. And I always enjoy crafting super early so that whenever it becomes December, I can just kind of get everything put up and do all of the fun Christmas festivities. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, make sure you are subscribed, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy crafting, bye!